Track 13. Repeat twice for each. Listen and put wrong or right. There are shoes next to the table. Are you in the kitchen? The boy hits the ball. Do you like chips? There is a red t-shirt in the bedroom. Track 14. Repeat twice for each. Listen and choose. Mouth, ears. Monster, eyes. Mouth, eyes.